Fine, let us start solving problem number 5 here, right? The tailor has 37.5 meter of cloth and he has to make 8 pieces out of a meter of it. How many pieces can be made out of it? So it's very simple one, right? A simple multiplication for 1 meter. So he is supposed to make 8 pieces. So for 37.5 meters, how many pieces he is supposed to make? That is what the question is. Let us check out here. For 1 meter, is going to make 8 pieces. For 37.5 is how much, right? Ratio problem, right? So x is equal to 8 into 37.5. Now multiply to, we are going to get the answer. 8 5 is a 40, 4 carry, 8 7 is a 56 plus 4, 60, 0, 6 carry, 8 is a 24 plus 6, it is 30. So put a decimal here. This is after 1, right? So the answer here is 300 pieces. So he can make 300 pieces from 37.5 meter of cloth.